this place called Wetlands.
But then look, what's that? And what's that?
Is that a kangaroo?
I think it is. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're at Wetlands and we just found a dead spider right there through the glass. That's not meant to be. And here's a map of the wetland. And these are the animals in the wetland and what you can find. Comment to find us. So there's little signs around Wetland, and Riley's filming a video on his channel too. So there's lots of tables and
Like
interesting, yeah, that's right. And there's lots of interesting places around in Wetland. So I'm heading over to the water fountains. Dang, what's that?
It's like a duck bird. Oh, there's another one on the table. There's one there.
Okay.
There's one there. And there's another one on the table. I jumped down from the table.
Arches.
This is so pretty. Me and Riley used to find arches at, opposite to Daisy's hotel. Arches, roses. Oh, that's not roses. This is a blue potato bush.
It's an autumn day.
Lots of people are coming up that way.
In Melbourne today.
Just ignore the people that come past.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah?
So did you get it ready? We did.
Hey, you reckon I'm gonna I can jump from here? You reckon I can jump from
So
here?
we're just
This is the volunteer nursery. Where's Kelly? Is anyone in here? Hey Kelly. Haha, found you. What is this place?
I guess my island behind. Daddy, get out. What the fuck? I eat that. Ew, cobweb.
Are there any of these birds out there?
Probably too hot. That's a big swamp.
Imagine if I just chuck the garden?
On the stove, see?
I wouldn't be doing that. Oh, Dad, imagine if we just chuck the garden right.
Is that pink thing there? Hanging there? Wait, see the puppy.
Guys, don't touch anything, okay? Just look. Just look.
Wait, can't you buy stuff from here?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Just don't touch anything. 'Cause
This stuff.
This is a volunteer shop. And they're apparently selling all this stuff.
You can see what I bought.
Oh, you bought that, did you? Alright, we're finished at the wetlands. And I'm going back to the car.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice garden.
Thanks for watching.